Can you relate? I feel like a lot of adults don't talk about this. Sometimes it takes a while for people to be an adult, myself included. Hi everyone, welcome to my very first YouTube video. In today's video, I will show you how to make your bed like an adult designer and make it as a permanent habit. I know, making your bed is a pain, but this has made a huge impact in my life. It made me a more organized person overall, at home and at work. So let's get to it. What you'll need: bed and blanket, basic pillows. I like to stick to lighter shades because it gives me that fresh vibe, and a comforter because it gets chilly out here. I chose blush pink because I have lots of pink accents in my room. And for some people this is fine, but I like to add in Euro pillows because it just elevates the whole bed, and I like to lay back on it. And of course, you can never have enough pillows. And pops of colors, play with it. And I'd like to add in some accent pillows because it just adds that texture over there. And in the winter time, it gets really cold, so I had to add in a Sherpa blanket. It's super soft. You might want to consider getting one. And how do we maintain? As soon as I wake up, first, put aside the pillows at the far end of your bed. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then throw your blankets over. Dust off all of the fabrics from your clothing and just your hair. And then put back the blanket and flatten it using your hands. Layer comforter. It's the Sherpa blanket, which I really love. And tuck all of your shams inside your pillows to make it a neat look. Just line it up. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then throw in your throw blanket. Lastly, tuck all of your blankets inside your bed on each side. Yay! Now that we know how to make our beds, how do we make this a permanent habit? Our habits reflect our identity, so a powerful way to instill habits is to tie it to your identity. For example, smokers. If you declare yourself as a smoker, you'll have a hard time quitting because you're a smoker. Same applies to this. If you feel like you're procrastinating and you don't want to fix your bed, just give yourself some self-talk and tell yourself, oh, I'm not the type of person who wants to come back home to a messy bed. Try it. I hope you find this video helpful because there's nothing like coming back home from a long day at work to a well-made bed. So if you like this video, thumbs up and click subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video.